Hey everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to share live location with friends on Snapchat. Stay safe on the go and let a close friend or family member know where you are in real time by temporarily or indefinitely sharing your live location with them. Your live location is shared with your chosen friend even while you are in ghost mode, and you can choose a stop sharing at any time without prompting a notification to your friend. To share your live location with your friend, open Snapchat, go to your profile, tap on my friends. From your friend list, you can find your friend, or you can go manually. Open your friend profile, and here you will find share my live location. Choose how long you want to share your live location with a close friend or family member, like 15 minutes, 1 hour, 8 hours, or until I turned off. Here Snapchat says live location. You can now share your live location with your close friends. Reminder, this is a feature for trusted friends and family. Use live location to coordinate meetups or help you stay safe on your way home. That sounds good. Tap your timing and tap on allow. To stop sharing your live location with a friend, go back to this page again and tap stop under Snap Map location. Your live location will be stopped. By this way, you can share your live location with your friends. Friends, that was our today's video. I hope you like this. Please give a thumbs up and share this with your friends. Stay safe.